Okay, continue with case 3 for example 1. Okay, this is case 3 where for x not greater than 1, we have the solution for u is equal to 1. So we replace in equation dx dt, we have this equation. So solving this equation, we get x equal to t plus d. Okay, so if we substitute the condition t equal to 0, x equal to x naught, we have here x naught equal to 0 plus d. So we get the constant d equal to x naught. So we replace into this solution. Okay, so we get x equal to t plus x naught. So this relates x naught with x, in which we get x naught is equal to x minus t. Okay, so before this we have solved equation for u. Okay, so this is a solution that we already have for u. Okay, but the problem is we have the solution still contain x naught, which is unknown. Okay, so by solving equation for x, we get for each case here, we get the relation between x naught and x and t. Okay, so for the first case, x naught less than minus 1, means in this solution we can replace x naught as x plus t. Okay, for the second case, from that solution we can replace x as okay, this is the second case, x not equal to x over t plus 1. And for the third case, in the solution we can replace x naught as x minus t. Okay, so now the solution becomes, so the solution u becomes okay, u equal to for the first case we have the solution equal to minus 1, right? Minus 1. So we replace x naught. Originally it is x naught. Okay, let me refer again all this. Okay, x naught less than minus 1 for the first case. Okay, I take all this. Okay, what we do here is actually we replace from the, okay, this is the one that we have earlier. Okay, oops. Okay, this is the one that we obtained earlier. So forget about this. Okay, here for the first solution, right? Okay, so what we do is actually we replace. So now it will becomes, okay, this is our original solution u. So now we already have the term for x naught. So here x naught we can replace from the previous solution that we have. The first case x naught is x plus t. So here now the solution becomes this x naught becomes x plus t. Okay, here is x plus t. And then for the second case, we get x naught equal to x over t plus 1. So we replace here and here. Okay, so we get here is x over t plus 1. And then here x over t plus 1 less and equal to 1. And then here for the third case, we solved earlier, we get x naught equal to x minus t. So we replace, we get this form. Okay, so now this is the solution, but we can modify further, especially for this range of x. Okay, so we can modify. I write below here. Modify so that we have it in terms of x. Okay, so this is how it will looks like if I modify. This is on the solution here, still the same. We have minus 1 x over t plus 1 and 1. But here we can modify. Actually, we can bring, we take x as the subject. So for the first expression here, the first range, we can write as x less than minus 1 minus t. We bring t to the right hand side. For the second part, we can bring t plus 1 to this side and also this side. So we have minus t minus 1 less and equal to x less and equal to t plus 1. And for the last part, we can have x greater than 1 plus t.